letter T. What is the sound of the letter T? The sound of the letter T is T. Come on, say it with me. T. T. Well done! Now, let's see what starts with the letter T. This is a teddy. Teddy. One last time. Teddy. Great work! Alright, now we are at the football field. And it looks like all of the players want to get that score. Can you spot what words have the letter T? First, we have a net. 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 Next, we have the football. Football. What is it? Football. Then, we can see the players wearing boots. Boots. One last time. Boots. And finally, all of them are also wearing some shorts. Shorts. Come on, say it with me. Shorts. Great job, everyone! Now, it's your turn to say the letter T.